Lordship, what had happened that Risha number 1, Lordship, in her name, one property was purchased as per Annexure P1, and thereafter, since her mental status was not good, she was of unsound mind. Later on, she was under treatment. This private respondent's Lordship, they got executed a gift deed in their favor. It is a Muslim community. In their favor, this land of the petitioner Lordship. And accordingly, Lordship, after executing a gift deed, Lordship, they got it, they filed an application before the Tehsildar for mutation of their names. And without impeding the petitioner as a party, that order was passed in the year 2013 for mutation of the names of the Faiz Darbar Lordship. Now, after that, Lordship, order was passed, but the records were not modified, Lordship. No mutation was conducted in the records, Lordship. Now, later on, after a lapse of 10 years, Lordship, in May 23, Lordship, they have moved an application under Section 115 and 116 of MPLR Code for compliance of the order passed in 2013, Lordship, before the subdivisional officer. And subdivisional officer Lordship, entertaining this application, had forwarded it to the. क्या हल निकलेगा जब तक कि आप गिफ्ट डीड को कैंसिलेशन का? No, Lordship. My humble submission that will be done before the civil court, Lordship. But my humble submission, since this application is not maintainable under 115 and 16.
नोटिस इशू करके सुनेंगे उनको.
Lordship, my humble submission, because my humble submission, Lordship.
कल में कुछ नहीं.
Lordship, my humble submission. First of all, this Lordship, this application has been filed after lapse of 10 years, Lordship. Whereas, as per the 115 and 16 of the MPLR Code, Lordship, they only provides, I have cited in my petition, Lordship, the provisions, Lordship, that can be done only with respect of some wrong entry in the land records, Lordship.
आपको basic कानून पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. You are impleading that lady in her individual capacity, not through her next friend.
No, I have impleaded, I have made a party her husband also, Lordship.
Making as that husband as a party is different. Leading a person of unsound mind through her next friend is something different.
Presently, she is
of sound mind.
No, she has recovered up to 80%. I have filed the documents.
Issue notice करके सुनेंगे. Issue notice respondent.
Lordship.
Sorry.
Lordship.
पहला तो ये आर्गुमेंट ही मेरे कोर्ट में अप्रिशिएबल नहीं है कि कौन किस कम्युनिटी को बिलोंग करता है.
No, my humble submission.
Sorry. This argument is not acceptable to me. We are sitting here in a constitutional court, not dealing with the communities, but with dealing with the legal issues.
I'm not emphasizing on that, Lordship. My humble submission.
This argument may be acceptable somewhere else, not in my court.
I'm not arguing on that.
Issue notice कर दिया ना बस. जवाब आने
submission
on payment of PF within 7 days, returnable 4 weeks.
Lordship, by that time, Lordship, this order will be compliance, Lordship.
In addition, petitioner is permitted to serve the respondent Hamdas. If service is made Hamdas and affidavit is filed, then list this case in the week commencing 25 September. चलिए.
Some second week में I will serve Hamdas, Lordship.
कर दीजिए. Sorry.
Number 421.